This is the material required to make Tower of Pisa. These are thick wooden battens. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 types of thin wooden battens. These are plastic strips, thin nut and bolts. These are long and thin nut and bolts. These are thick nut and bolts. These are screws. This is the weight. These four are the stoppers or bush. These are metal wires. You also need some additional material, or we call it as toolkit. This is the nut holder. It has got groove to hold the nut. This is wooden batten required for at the time of drilling. This is thick needle to make a hole in the plastic strip. This is screwdriver, scissors and drilling machine. Take the drilling machine, take the wooden batten. Now we want to make 4 holes at 4 markings. Take a small wooden batten for support and keep it under the big batten. Then keep the drill bit over the marking and make the drill. Make such 4 holes using the drilling machine. Now we will fix this bush at the bottom of the board. For this we need this thick long bolt. Insert it from the top side of the board. Take the bush. See that the flat side touches the board. Then take the nut and fix it on the bolt. Then take the nut holder, put it on the nut and press it. Using fingers, first tighten the nut. Once the bolt head reaches the batten, then reverse the board and with the help of screwdriver tighten the bolt. Similarly, fix the other 3 stoppers. There are 2 types of battens having same length, but one type of batten has got hole at the center and the other type has got hole at one of the edges. Initially we need the battens having holes at the center. Take one of the battens, take one screw and then fix this batten on the corner of this baseboard using the screw. Insert the screw and then with the help of a screwdriver tighten it. Fix such 8 battens at 4 corners of the baseboard. For this step we need these thin bolts, nut and bolts, 4 plastic strips and these long battens. For this step and here onwards you may need help from other person. We want to fix this long batten here like this. Take one plastic strip which has got hole at one side. Take one of the bolts, pass the bolt through the plastic strip, then pass it through the hole of the batten and then pass it through the vertical batten. Fix nut from the other side. Once the batten is fixed, it will look like this. Note that the plastic strips, they don't have holes at the other ends. We will make the holes using the thick needle when we fix the batten on the other side. Take another batten, hold it on the vertical batten, match the holes with the help of thick needle, hold it tightly, then bring the strip over the batten and make the hole. First, pass the bolt through the strip, then through the hole of the horizontal batten and then through the vertical batten. Then fix the nut from inside. Once all the 4 battens are fixed, the structure will look like this.